What's going on, everybody? Hashtag DataSpartan back with a new video today, and I am joined by Angela Adams. She is the president at Angela Adams Consulting. She's also one of the most respected people in the insurance agency industry. So, Angela, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you so much, Lance. Today, I want to talk about leveraging modern technology. And I want to start with there's 3 reasons you guys should be doing this. Number one, you want to improve your customer experience. And there are so many technologies out there to help you improve your customer's experience. The second reason is to reduce E&O mistakes and issues. The third is to improve your decision making, using data to make decisions rather than the gut feeling that you have about your agency.
Got it. So why do you think this is happening today? Like, what's the change in the world that made you choose, these 3 topics?
I think a lot of agencies buy technology and think of it as a magic wand. That people come in and sell agency owner technology. They think this is going to solve all of our problems, but then their staff doesn't use it. They don't change what they do internally to make it work. And we end up with all these technologies that don't fit together, that don't integrate with the management system. And agency owners get frustrated thinking, I've spent all this money on technology and we're not accomplishing the goal. And I think it's important to keep those 3 goals in mind. And every agency is going to have different ideas about what their goals are with technology. But I think if you start with those 3 as kind of your broad goals, you'll make better decisions about what technologies to use.
So in your opinion, you talked about using data to make decisions and how that feeds into the overall customer experience. Why do you think that's important? And what aren't people thinking about or considering today?
I think data-driven decisions is something agency owners were not able to do until fairly recently. It has become such a powerful tool in the industry because so much more data is available to us. And whether we're talking about Vertivore's Risk Match or any of the other programs out there, there's so much better data that we can tap into than just what's in our management system. And having access to that data, to give you an example, one of the things we talk about when we talk about improving the client experience is knowing who is your ideal client and who is your current client, right? Well, so many agency owners think they know who their current client is, but they don't. They may think, what we really want to go after are large manufacturing. But when we look at who their client is, that's not where they are at all.
Interesting. So it's almost a discrepancy between your data says one thing, but you think that your customer is something completely separate, right?
Right. And when we're crafting what our customer journey should be, that journey is very different. If our ideal client is a manufacturing firm versus a high net worth personal lines customer, right?
Interesting.
And
so, sorry, just to sort of bookend this, what is your one sort of actionable insight for an agency who wants to make this shift today? Like where would you have them start?
I would have them start with looking at what they're already paying for. And if what they have now is not getting them to their goals, then they should look at whether they should eliminate it, whether they should learn to use it effectively. It might be the right tool, but their staff never learned how to use it. But if it doesn't get them closer to their goal, eliminate it and find software that, number one, integrates with their management system, and number 2, helps them achieve their goals.
Interesting. Now that's really good insight. So Anybody watching this, hope you got some really good value out of it. Angela, thanks for joining me. And everybody, I'll catch you on the next one.